Alright, take two. I'm gonna lift up to something. And looking at the camera, not me.
You know? Well, I know, man.
Alright.
Come back to my channel. Today we are going to do an easy dessert. You can use it easy. An easy dessert we're going to do today. Super simple. You can grab it on the go. Healthy. Vegan, gluten free. No sugar added. Nothing like that. You just need peanut butter, salt, oats. We have the roll oats like foreign, so we use local Fasca oats. Fasca oats? Fasca oats. Chocolate, banana, vanilla. Good to go. First thing, mash the bananas. Ripe, no green banana. And some man don't really have no sense. Ripe banana. Mash. Mash. Remember, you know, quick and easy, simple. Nothing hard. If you want something sweet, you're vegan, yeah. They can't eat gluten, yeah. Right? Next, add the peanut butter. I don't really have a measurement. I just dash it in. You incorporate the peanut butter. And the banana like this. Oh yeah, make sure your oven are preheat. Use a toaster oven today, because gas expensive. Gas expensive, so you use a toaster oven today. Like use vanilla. Incorporate the vanilla.
Alright.
And then add your Fasca oats, because we don't have roll oats. Pinch of salt. One more for good luck. And your chocolate chip. Or your chocolate. Whichever one you prefer. So, it's incorporated. You get your grease and lined baking tray. Mine lined with parchment paper, because I never remember forget it at the store. So mine just grease. Alright, don't kill me. So, you have to shape these cookies. You put them into the oven, that's the way they're going to come out. They're not going to do a lot of spreading. So this time you have to use your hand. You make a ball and flatten it out. You have to do that because it don't give a spread. Just like that. Simple. Quick and easy. You can do it from the night before. You can do it ahead of time. Yeah, flatten it out. Some of them now go pretty, but you understand? Everything cute.
Like you, not cute.
So it go. Flatten.
That one the shape body.
Tell so somebody might shape body. I'll go over here so. Wash, wash, wash. Because this name's sticky, God. And then put it in the oven until it's golden brown and set. So about 10 to 15 minutes. So this is the final result. Chewy, golden brown, fresh out of the, oh, you have to make it cool, but I can't wait. Chocolate banana.